Record.
A very good day to our Dr. Khairul. For today, we will present our group presentation, our title is Rural Infrastructure Development and Empowerment Initiative. Our group member is me, myself, Michelle. Second one is Nur Fazihana, Nura Shikin, and the fourth one is Nurul Huda. Next slide. The Rural Infrastructure Development and Empowerment Initiative is a comprehensive initiative aimed at improving the living standards of rural communities through infrastructure development and community empowerment. This project aims to enhance access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunity, as well as to improve the quality of life for rural residents. Next slide. Our company background is it's established in 2010. Mega Organic Berhad has grown to become a dominant player in the Malaysian infrastructure and construction industry, with the strength in civil engineering, building construction, and infrastructure development, particularly in the agricultural sector. This construction company has established itself as a leader in this industry. The location selected for this project is in a rural village in Asajaya, Kota Semerahan. Semerahan was officially recognized as a division on January 1, 1987. The four districts that make up the Semerahan Agricultural Division are Kota Semerahan, Serian, Simunjan, and Asajaya. This location was chosen because Semerahan is a major agricultural area in Sarawak and has potential for organic farming. Coconut, sweet orange, cocoa, pepper, and livestock products are the main agricultural commodities grown in this region. Its climate and geographical location make it suitable for modern agricultural practice such as greenhouse farming. Next, we will go to Novazihana.
Okay. Good afternoon and good day to my friend. Thank you, Michelle, for the present. And then I will explain regarding for our project justification, which is reason why we choose this project title, which is for, of course, for community empowerment and for poverty reduction and rural-urban equality and rural infrastructure. So number one is how what we communicate about our report. In our report is about the community empowerment, which is this project aimed to empower rural community by involving them in every single stage for the project, especially from the planning and then to implement this project and how to do the maintenance for this project soon. So number two is poverty reduction, which is for this project, REID, which in short lah. So we aim to address in rural poverty and backwards by the developing and improving the life of the community at the individual and collective level in the Semerahan especially. Okay, so number three is rural urban equality, which is this project we aim to reduce the gap between urban and rural population, particularly in terms of access to the infrastructure and quality of life, especially in Semerahan. Actually, we need to see how far the gap from Kuching to Semerahan. That's why we choose the Semerahan. And then we go to a role of infrastructure, which is infrastructure development, such as road, water supply, and communication, is a key factor for determining the well-being of the community, especially in the rural area. Next is we explain about the project overview. What we can see in our slide, there is one of example that our team imagine actually for the greenhouse construction, which is the greenhouse project involve the construction of the specialized structure design to provide control and regulate environment for growing plant. The primary purpose of the greenhouse is a create optimal condition for plant grow by controlling factor such as temperature, humidity, and expose the light. And number two, this important thing that we overview for this project, of course, for the climate control system, the the main part for this is include the machinery for irrigation, ventilation, heating and cooling, and automated and control computer control system are used to manage the growing environment for the plant in all in system actually. And number three is lighting supply. What we know when the rural area, maybe we have this problem, but we need to do a plan B, especially where we suggest for this project. Of course, we have a energy efficient LED and HPH lighting system are used to provide natural light, especially on the cloudy and or raining day for the particular area with what we choose lah. So for number four, the last one is a pest and disease management, which is a biological control is used to protect the plant for the pest and disease. Afterwards, to maintain the cold chains, the plant production is a transport irrigation truck and then the flow to various locations around the world. So that's all for me. And then we give to the Narshikin to explain more about our objective. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Hannah. So this is the objective of the greenhouse project. First one is increase production. This project aims to increase crop yields and promote the use of organic farming practice, which will in turn increase farmer incomes and quality of life. Followed by food security. This project aims to improve food security in rural areas by providing access to fresh and nutritious food throughout the year. Job creation. This project is expected to create new job opportunities in the agriculture sector, which help to reduce unemployment and increase household incomes. The last one, economic development. This project aims to promote economic development in rural areas by increasing agriculture production, strengthening linkage along the food and agriculture value chain, and enhancing economic participation. Next is the methodology. First, definition of choice. The first step involves defining the project choices. This step requires careful consideration of community needs, available resources, and potential solutions, followed by identification of costs and benefits. The next step involves identifying the costs and benefits associated with each choice. True analysis is crucial to ensure that the project is feasible and aligned with community needs. Next, distribution of impact. It is important to understand how the project's impact will be distributed across the community. This involves identifying the beneficiaries and ensuring equitable distribution of the benefits. Last one is quantification of costs and benefits. Quantifying cost and benefit in physical units enables more accurate assessment of the project impact. It involves converting qualitative data into measurable units. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to Huda.
Thank you, my friends, and a very good day to our prof and my friends also. The next slide is the economic assessment. We can see the cost category, details, and the amount. This is our approximately amount that we use for the initial preparation cost. For construction of greenhouse, normally is 900,000. And then for the equipment and input is 225,000. Training program 135,000. Logistic and transportation 90,000. Contingency fund is 10% initial preparation cost is 135,000. And the second one is the operating cost annually. Maintain and repairs, the cost is 45,000. Utility, water, electricity, 63,500. Salary and for trainers and technician is 90,000. Additional inputs and fertilizer is 45,000. The next cost is the total project around for the 2 years. Initial preparation cost plus operation cost for the 2 years is 1,980,000. Okay. For the benefit category, we increase in agriculture production with this estimated increase in annual crop yield. The amount is approximately, we calculate, is 2,250,000, and the job creation is from the direct employment for individual for 2 years is around 270,000. Total estimated benefit for this project, RIED project, is sum up is 4,770,000. Okay, next slide. Okay, the last one is the constraint and challenges. For the budget constraint, can cause a project delay, for example, affect the quality materials or services and increase the cost risk. For the distribution constraint, uneven distribution of resources lead to dissatisfaction and reduce project effectiveness. This constraint can cause the delay of delivery and resources and services and make it difficult to achieve equitable development across the target areas. For the physical constraint, unfavorable site conditions such as rough terrain, poor soil quality, and flood-prone areas can make construction and development more challenging. The last one is the challenges, is administrative challenges, such as process, obtaining permit, approval, clearance, and can be slow due to bureaucratic inefficiency. That's all from our group. Thank you.